Hello everybody, welcome to the channel Naked Yoga for Beginners. Naked Yoga for Beginners, I hear you ask? Yes, naked yoga. It's more popular than you may think. How popular is it? Well, you can find naked yoga classes in 11 countries around the world in 44 cities. To name but a few, if you're in France, you can find a naked yoga class in Paris. In the UK, you can find a naked yoga class in London and also a naked yoga class in Hastings. In Spain, you can find a naked yoga class in Madrid and also Barcelona. You can find naked yoga classes in Germany, Australia, and one of the most popular places to find naked yoga around the world is in America, with actually 44 classes of naked yoga to be found and enjoyed in America. Naked yoga, how long's that been going on? Well, it's probably been going on a lot longer than you may at first think. A lot of people may think that naked yoga started in the swinging 60s, but it actually predates that. The first naked yoga class in the West was in 1919 in New York City. But it goes back further than that. Would you believe before the birth of Christ was the first documented account of a naked yoga? When Alexander the Great invaded India 400 years before the birth of Christ, his philosophers noted coming across Indian monks known as yogini who were performing naked yoga stances as part of their meditation process. And that's the first recorded naked yoga in the world. Yoga itself actually originates from India, some 2,700 years before the birth of Christ. Now I've got to ask the question, okay, the first recorded naked yoga was 400 years before Christ, but if it was those same monks that were doing yoga 2,700 years before Christ, could they have been doing it naked at that point as well? So perhaps naked yoga is thousands of years old. Why do naked yoga? Well, I guess there's two main reasons. The first one is obviously for the nudist community. It just gives them another thing to do naked. The second reason is for health benefits, for those people suffering from body dysmorphia. It's been noted that taking part in a naked yoga class can actually help overcome the illness of body dysmorphia. This is where someone doesn't like the way their body looks, they don't love themselves, and they're found by taking part in a naked yoga class that people start to appreciate their own bodies and overcome the illness. So that's the second reason why you would do a naked yoga class. Now, one thing I must say about naked yoga classes, it's all very safe. There's no touchy feeling going on. Everyone that takes part in a naked yoga class has to be naked. The instructor as well as all the participants remain on their mats, and normally you find that the lighting's been dimmed down to save everybody's modesty. So it's done in a very safe environment. So if you're thinking of starting naked yoga, give it a go. See what you like it or not. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short video on naked yoga for beginners. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget hit that notification button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care everybody.